Hi guys, Florian Stollmayer here again. I'm standing in front of the famous Hofbräuhaus at the Oktoberfest. The Hofbräuhaus is the biggest beer tent on the Oktoberfest. It has 10,000 seats inside. And the Hofbräuhaus brand is world famous. There's also franchises in the United States, such as in Las Vegas and also in Dubai in Arabia. The Hofbräuhaus brewery is owned by the Bavarian government. And here are my friends again with a real Bavarian fashion. You can see the gray jackets and the lederhosen, and the ladies have these dirndl dresses on and the nice hats. So now we are in front of the famous Hofbräuhaus Festzelt, the biggest beer festzelt in the entire Oktoberfest. There's inside 10,000 seats. The real Hofbräuhaus is located in the center of Munich, and it's a main touristic attraction through the entire year. Hello friends, Florian Stollmayer again. I'm right now inside the Hofbräuhaus beer tent. Can you feel this wonderful, nice atmosphere here? Everybody's in a very good mood and has fun. Party at the Oktoberfest. Hello again, it's Florian Stollmayer. I really hope you have enjoyed this Oktoberfest video on the Hofbräuhaus beer tent. Check out more of my Oktoberfest series here on YouTube. By the way, the Hofbräuhaus beer brand was established in 1589 and is owned since then by the Bavarian government. The real Hofbräuhaus am Pretzel is located in the center of Munich and the main touristic attraction through the entire year, beside the Oktoberfest. By the way, there are many franchises of the Oktoberfest even in the United States, such as in Las Vegas or in Pittsburgh. If you need more profound knowledge and inside information on the Oktoberfest, I recommend my book Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest, available on Amazon.com. You can find the link below. Servus und auf Wiedersehen.